Assalamu alaikum viewers, a very warm welcome to you all. Today we will get to know about some of the rare diseases. The first one is mad cow disease. It is a progressive fatal neurological disorder of cattle resulting from infection by a prion. It appears to be caused by contaminated cattle feed that contains the prion agent. People cannot get mad cow disease, but in rare cases they may get a human form of mad cow disease called variant Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, which is fatal. This can happen if you eat nerve tissue, that is, the brain and spinal cord of cattle that were infected with mad cow disease. Now coming to the second disease, Morgellons disease, a controversial condition involving skin lesions and the belief that the skin is infected by bugs and other objects like string. The condition is relatively uncommon and the cause isn't fully understood. Testing for infection by bacteria or parasites is usually negative. Now comes the progeria disease. Progeria is congenital, meaning a defect or damage to a fetus. Sufferers of this fatal illness have a striking appearance resembling premature aging but die at an average age of 13. Profound growth delays begin at between 9 and 24 months, leading to abnormal facial developments such as a disproportionately small face, bulging prominent eyes, and an underdeveloped jaw. By the age of 2, hair from the scalp, eyebrows, and eyelashes is lost. The U.S. National Organization of Rare Disorders says sufferers eventually lose the layer of fat beneath the skin, and in time, elasticity is lost in artery walls, leading to fatality through heart attack or stroke in 90% of sufferers. Now coming to the next disease, aquagenic urticaria. Aquagenic urticaria is a rare form of urticaria, a type of hives that causes a rash to appear after you touch water. Aquagenic hives is thought to be a water allergy. However, research is limited. According to a 2011 report, there are fewer than 100 cases of aquagenic urticaria reported in medical literature. You can drink the water but don't let it get on your skin. For people with aquagenic urticaria, a rainy day or summer pool party can turn into life-disrupting allergy triggers. Now coming to the foreign accent syndrome. Foreign accent syndrome is speech disorder that causes a sudden change to speech so that a native speaker is perceived to speak with a foreign accent. FAS is most often caused by damage to the brain caused by a stroke or traumatic brain injury. Foreign accent syndrome usually results from a stroke but can also develop from head trauma, migraines, or developmental problems. The condition might occur due to lesions in the speech production network of the brain, or may also be considered a neuropsychiatric condition. Now coming to the laughing death disease. It is locally called as Kuru. It was a progressive fatal brain malady that robbed its victims of the ability to walk, talk, and even eat. It had killed dozens of people. It was found to affect all ages, being common in male and female children and in adult females, but rare in adult males. Kuru is characterized by cerebellar ataxia and a shivering-like tremor that produces complete motor incoordination. The disease is inevitably fatal and death usually occurs in less than 1 year. Now coming to the Alice in Wonderland syndrome. It is a rare neurological disorder characterized by distortions of visual perception, the body image, and the experience of time. People may see things smaller than they are, feel their body alter in size, or experience any of the syndrome's numerous other symptoms. Now coming to the Pica disease. Iron deficiency anemia and malnutrition are two of the most common causes of pica, followed by pregnancy. In these individuals, pica is a sign that the body is trying to correct a significant nutrient deficiency. Treating this deficiency with medication or vitamins often resolves the problem. Craving and chewing substances that have no nutritional value, such as ice, clay, soil, or paper. The next one is Moebius syndrome. Moebius is extremely rare genetic and characterized by complete facial paralysis. Sufferers cannot close their eyes, look from side to side, or form facial expressions. Limb abnormalities such as clubbed feet and missing fingers are often also present. So these are some of the rare diseases you all may be surprised to know. That's all about some of the rare diseases. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon as you can get all my new video notifications. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.